Hi everyone, welcome to our latest nail art where we will unveil the secret to achieving stunning chrome nails that will leave you mesmerized. Whether you are a seasoned nail artist or just starting out, this video is packed with tips and tricks that will help you master the art of chrome nails. First, chrome pigment application. Learn the step-by-step process of applying chrome pigment to achieve that incredible mirrored shine on your nails. We will share the right tools and techniques to get flawless finish. The second, base coat a gel polish. Discover the importance of using the right base coat and gel polish to ensure your chrome nails stay dazzling for an extended period. We will guide you through selecting the best product for long-lasting result. Nail prep and cleanings. Nail preparation is key to a successful chrome nail application. We will show you how to properly prep your nails and clean them to remove any residue for a smooth chrome finish. Top coat and sealing. Find out how to apply a top coat and seal your chrome nails to protect the shine and keep them looking fresh. We will reveal the best practices for a perfect seal. Troubleshooting and common mistakes. Learn how to troubleshoot common issues and avoid mistakes that can happen during the chrome nail process. We will share solutions to help you achieve perfection every time. Maintenance and removal. Maintaining your chrome nails is essential for their longevity. We will provide tips and caring for your chrome manicure and safe removal when you are went for a ready new look. Join us as we dive into the world chrome nails where creativity knows to bounds. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on your latest nail or tutorial. Get ready to shine with chrome nails like never before.